For this county, what you want to do is click on the Overbids icon. And here is the website for Miami-Dade. You'd want to choose Case Status, Active, Sold Bidder, and then click Search. And then use the drop-down box to display as many results as possible on one page. And then check this box up the very top, which will select all of them on the page, and click Open Selected Cases. Then you want to click the Documents tab. And to find out the amount of surplus that was left over after the auction, you want to look for the surplus letter. This is the notice that the county mails out. I'm just going to click View on that and scroll, and it should be right in here. There's $49,000 in surplus on this record. So now I want to know, have there been any claims? When they upload new documents, all the newest ones go up at the top. So from the surplus letter on up, there has not been a claim. And it does look like some mail was returned to them. They probably tried to notify the owner, and it was returned because the person doesn't live there anymore. This is what happens all the time. This is why there is tax deed surplus. Bo Coney was the owner. He doesn't live there anymore because the property was auctioned. So he never received this letter. He has no idea he has $49,000 sitting at the county for him. So I'm going to check another one so that I can show you when you know there's been a claim. Okay, here we go. So the surplus letter is here, which there's 6,800, and then working upwards, there's a claim here and a claim here and here. So even though that money may or may not have been paid out yet, it has been claimed. So you probably want to skip this record. Although, if the surplus is high enough, I do recommend looking at the actual claims because it tells you the amount. Like this claim is for $1,600. If they're all so low that the amount of surplus left over is still large enough to go after, then by all means contact the owner and try to get them as a client so that they can claim the rest of it. Florida Overbids gives you a link and video for each county showing how to retrieve the surplus records. There's also a link to each website you need for all 67 counties. We have helpful resources, client forms, surplus claim forms, plus we teach you the surplus claim process. You can join Florida Overbids by itself, or you can receive a free membership if you subscribe to our other website, Surplus Database. Surplus Database gives you a new set of surplus records every auction day in the Florida counties. Plus, you also receive a business website that you can customize and edit however you'd like. We do have training videos showing you how to do so. And you also receive an online database that is right on your website, and you can use it to organize your surplus records, and it helps you through the claim process by keeping track of the status that you set on each record. We also locate and download the property information reports from each of the counties and store them all in one online repository. This saves you a lot of time in trying to find all of these property reports yourself. You use these reports to see if there are any liens on the property that may take some of the surplus. And we do have videos and training to show you how to do the lien research as well. If you choose the Pro subscription level on Surplus Database, we actually perform the lien research for you, and we give you a claimant's report for every surplus record. If you want to work surplus records from other states, we can help you locate their claim forms, figure out what the claim process is, and gather the contact information for the county. We also have an Excel spreadsheet that serves as a template that you can put your surplus records on and be able to import those records from the other states into your online database that is on your business website. Here are some of the items you will find on the Resources tab. And this is an ongoing process where we constantly add new items that would be helpful to you to this tab. And lastly, we have a help desk on the website that is there 24/7, and we are ready for your questions.